Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So many people are facing a issue of Instagram checkpoint. So you don't have to worry about this. Many people are telling to uh, disable your Instagram and clear your cache and something. Nothing to worry. This is an Instagram bug. So what is happening? Like many people are using outdated version of Instagram. Okay, that is a old version of Instagram, or many people are using 2020 or 21 apk files, and they are not updating to their Instagram application. So Instagram has come up with this so that people will update your Instagram, or they will download the app from Play Store or a App Store. So nothing is there to worry. If you are facing this problem, update your Instagram application. This problem will be fixed. So I hope this video will be very useful for you. Thank you.